Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing okay. And today I'm bringing you yet another makeup video. I love doing them, so I hope you love watching them. And I'm going to be playing around with the Jeffree Star Alien palette. I received this for my birthday, as well as some other Jeffree Star products. So it's not quite full face because he doesn't actually do a full face. Hopefully soon he brings out a full face, but it's going to be a half face of Jeffree Star. So, Alien palette. I've already gone ahead and done my foundation and powders. I wanted to try and get hold of his translucent powder he's just brought out, but as you can tell, it's going to be very, very popular, and it was sold out everywhere that I tried to get. Well, Beauty Bay sold out. So, I wish you could order directly off his website. Not too sure if you can or not, but if you could, that would be very interesting, because he does mystery boxes as well, which I'd love to get my hands on some of these mystery boxes when he does. The value of them is incredible. So I'm going to stop yabbering and get into Alien mode. Inside it is these lovely colours, and they are amazing. This Alien, it's a shimmer, and I'll show you. Seriously, look at that. And I'm going to go into Moon Rock. Wow. Also UFO. Let's go into Probe. Let's probe the probe. They're just fantastic. I love them. And apologies if you can hear a background noise. I've got the fan on because it is boiling hot in Blackpool today. This is actually the second time I've tried to film this. I filmed it earlier in the peak of the sunrise, and it was a complete hot mess. It is actually putting a true term to looking like a hot mess. So yes, this is the second time I'm filming it, and let's just see if I can do any better. So I am going to take, what am I going to take? Abduction, which is a lime green. So I'm just going to, where's the brush? I'm going to take a brush, and I'm not going to use the mirror in the palette. I'm going to use my Jeffree Star mirror. Holding that is quite bulky, so excuse me. I'm going to stick with the mirror. I really wanted to get hold of his blue mirror that he's just brought out. This is amazing, but yes, on Beauty Bay there's no mirrors, so I don't know if they've just stopped selling them or it's a sellout. So this is Abduction. So Abduction is on the eyes. It is very summery because it's such a bright lime colour. All I'm thinking about is a slush puppy, and now I want a slush puppy. So now I am going to take a bit of Flying Saucer. So Flying Saucer. Going to take it on a smaller fluffy brush and deepen up the crease. So now Flying Saucer is done. I've deepened up the green, and wow, I'm loving it. I'm excited to see how this is turning out. I don't know if it's going with what's that say? Martian Soul or Abduction underneath my eyes. I'm going to go in with Abduction to see. No. Martian Soul, because I haven't used it. So take a bit of it's Martian Soil. Okay, now that makes sense. Martian Soil. I was like thinking Martian Soul. Something's not right there. So I'm going to take a bit of UFO, which is this one here, with the same brush, and add some shimmer underneath. Yeah, it's added slightly a bit of shimmer underneath, which is changing my thoughts slightly. What do I want to do now? Now I am going to take a packing brush, go in with Alien. So now I've gone in with Alien. I am going to take, I'm going to go in with UFO, just slightly, and then add a bit of shimmer this side. Wow, I love that. So, just to soften up any harsh lines, I'm going to take Abduction again and then just go over the top. Now I'm done with the palettes. I'm going to take mascara, which is just a Primark one, so I'm just going to go in with this one. So, eyes are done. I am liking them. I really am. So, I'm just going to go in with a bit of highlighter. Oh, actually, I'm going to bronze up first. So, not prepared. So, I'm just going to bronze up. This is just a Primark one as well. So, bronzer is done, and the highlighter I'm going to use is a Skin Frost in the shade Ice Cold. So, I feel like this is going to be very pigmented, so I'm not going to go in too heavy. I'm just going to take a smaller brush, go in with just a bit and just add it more to, oh yes, now that's popping. Oh wow, I am loving these products. Jeffree Star, keep them coming. So lips, I have got, what I forgot, Dirty Money, which is that green one. Have I got another one here? Oh, it's literally right in front of me. Or Blow Pony, which is a purple. I'm just going to stick to Dirty Money. So, I really need to get a new chair. It squeaks. So, lips are done. Is that everything? I think that is everything. So, now that is everything, closer look time. What do you think? That highlighter though. That is Jeffree Star Alien on my face. So, think I should have tried a different lip colour, but the eyes I am loving. That it's just wow. I can't wait to like try more shades from the Alien palette. I've also got Blood Sugar and the Equality lip kit set out, so several more Jeffree Star themed, not themed, just Jeffree Star videos coming along. If you like them, give me a big thumbs up. If you don't like them, still give me a big thumbs up. Leave me loads of comments and I'll catch you all in my next video. So, it's a goodbye from me, Matt, and a goodbye from Rainbow Soul. Stay sassy.